We are going to go over dividing fractions and mixed numbers, real world applications. My learning target is I can multiply and divide positive rational numbers fluently. We are going to review how to divide fractions and mixed numbers, go over some keywords we may see in a division word problem, and then go over some examples. If one of the numbers is a If one of the numbers is a whole number, you are going to change it into a fraction by putting that number over 1. You are going to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. You are going to keep the first fraction the same, change the division problem to a multiplication problem, and flip the second fraction or change the second fraction to its reciprocal by flipping it. And then you are going to cross simplify and solve and then simplify again if needed. Some keywords you may see in a division problem: divided equally, or how many per. I like to say if you don't know the total, it is a multiplication problem or addition problem. If you do know the total, then it's a division or subtraction problem. We are going to do 1 and 1/2 divided by 3/4. We are going to convert that 1 and 1/2 to an improper fraction. Then we are going to keep, change, flip, cross simplify if possible. And this simplifies to 3. Change this to an improper fraction. Change this one as well. Then keep, change, flip. One and 1/6. A school has 15 gallons of paint. If each classroom needs 3/5 of a gallon, how many classrooms can be painted? So we have 15 divided by 3/5, which is 15 over 1 divided by 3/5. You're going to keep, change, flip. So that is 25 classrooms. A cyclist rode 18.5 miles during practice. If each lap is 2.5 miles, how many laps did the cyclist complete? So 18.5 divided 2.5. Gonna convert both of these. Keep, change, flip. So 5 and 2/5 laps. The soccer team practiced 18 hours for this month. If the practice lasted 2 and 1/4 hours, how many full practices did they have? 18 divided by 2 and 1/4. Keep, change, flip. Just double checking your math here. That's 8 practices. Sophia has 3 and 1/4 pound of nuts. If each bag holds 1/8 of a pound, how many small bags can she make? Keep, change, flip. 6 small bags. Thank you for watching.